Surprisingly, usually always rabbits. I don't feel the heat. Yeah. You don't? No, but I was very hot from being from the I was just for the other fire.
It's so warm.
Okay, we have some fire extinguishers nearby.
I wonder if they can see that from the moon. Oh, look at that big number. Oh, it's big up there.
Be able to do hot dogs in about 10 minutes. How high the planes are. Planes are like 20 feet.
Here, I'll hold that. You run through it.